I'll try and use a song.
Look at me. I'm as helpless as a kitten at the tree.
And I feel like I'm clinging to the clouds. I can't understand.
I get misty just holding your hand. Walk my way, and 1,000 violins begin to play. Or it might be the sound of your hello. That music I hear, I get misty the moment you're near.
I can see that you're leading me on, and it's just what I want you to do. Don't you notice how hopelessly I'm lost? That's why I follow you.
When I wander through this wonderland alone, never knowing my right foot from my left,
My hat from my glove, I'm too misty and too much in love. Too misty and too much in love. S.B. Magisa. Thank you so much, Eric.